The Smart Airway Child incorporates smart sensors for real-time feedback and customizable scenarios, offering realistic data-driven pediatric airway training. Practice mode. This mode allows the user to familiarize themselves with the model and app and get real-time feedback on techniques, such as incisor force, head position, jaw thrust, and bag valve mask or endotracheal tube ventilation. This will give them feedback on respiratory rate, tidal volume, and peak inspiratory pressure. The app can discern accurate adherence from inconsistencies in established best practices, creating transparent pathways for targeted refinement. Real-time icons along with audio and text commentary provides feedback to the user, allowing them to help better their technique. For more information or to speak to a product specialist, email info@trucorp.com or call 4428-3888-2714.